Father in Italian is padre. Mother, madre. Son, figlio. Daughter, figlia. Brother, fratello. Sister, sorella. Husband, marito. Wife, moglie. Man, uomo. Woman, donna. Uncle, zio. Aunt, zia. Grandfather, nonno. Grandmother, nonna. Father-in-law, suocero. Mother-in-law, suocera. Brother-in-law, cognato. Sister-in-law, cognata. Son-in-law, genero. Daughter-in-law, nuora. Cousin, male, cugino. Cousin, female, cugina.